Hello there, friend, and welcome. Beginner to crocheting. Yeah, I know, it can be overwhelming. Don't worry, together we will break it down. I think it's a good start to mention the hook and the yarn and how we hold it. There is not a right or a wrong way to hold the hook, but most people find it comfortable to hold it either as a knife or as a pen. Your left hand will then control the yarn from the ball. To keep the tension on the yarn, you need to control it with your fingers in your left hand. You can wrap the yarn around your finger, go over your index finger, and keep the knot or the stitch you're working on secured with your thumb here. Your middle finger will work as a tool to bring the yarn forward to the hook, so you can create the loops and stitches. Here I have been holding the hook as a knife, like this. I have a little twist to the hook to bring it downwards so I can pull the yarn through the loop. If I hold the hook as a pen, the tension with my left hand, a little downward move on the hook part so I can create the loops. I work close to the loop on the hook because it's easier to to maintain the tension of the yarn, so the stitches become equally sized. If you work more away from the hook, it gets, or I think it gets more difficult to keep it nicely. Here I will try to show you. I have less control over it. So if I keep it just close to the hook, it's easier. If I change to the knife hold here, I don't hold it very hard because it will bring muscle tension to my hand and arm. So just keep it nice and loose, but in a comfortable way. For sure, you're going to work for hours when you start to crochet, so don't overwork it.